Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Michaels. So let me take you to the website, which is michaels.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Michaels is a leading arts and crafts retailer offering supplies for DIY projects, home decor, framing, and creative hobbies. Their store features art materials, seasonal decor, crafting tools, and handmade essentials for creators of all levels. With Michaels, one can find everything they need to bring their creative ideas to life. So what you're waiting for, you can come to the website, explore all about them, and if you want to buy something for yourself, go ahead and do that. But that's not exactly why we are here. As usual, we are here to earn money from Michaels. Possible? Of course it is. You simply have to join the affiliate program of Michaels, and when you start bringing sales to them, you start generating commission. So, who can join the affiliate program of Michaels, and to the consumers of which country can they promote in order to receive commission? Regardless of your location as an affiliate, you can apply to be a part of the affiliate program. To the consumers of which country, you would only be able to receive commission if you're bringing sales to them from US or Canada consumers. So keep that in mind. Let's learn more about their affiliate program. For that, you can scroll down till the very bottom to the footer section. Over here, you can click on services and then you can click on Michael's affiliate program, which will take you to the affiliate program page. And over here, you can see generate income. So you will receive anywhere between 2% to 10% commission on the sale amount. Typically, they provide 2% of the sale amount, but if you're doing well, you could even get up to 10% commission on the sale amount. You get access to paid media placements. You also earn bonuses. And if you scroll down, you can see even more details. There are some FAQs for your reference that you can read for anything that isn't covered in this video. And if you still have more questions, you can reach out to them at this email address and you can ask about their affiliate program. And if you're ready to join the affiliate program, you can come to the website called cj.com. Now, what does CJ has to do with Michaels? So CJ is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. What is an affiliate marketing network? They work as a mediator between brands and affiliates. That means if you want to join the affiliate program of different brands out there, you must join the respective affiliate marketing network. So in our case, if you want to join the affiliate program of Michaels, we must join CJ as an affiliate. So how do you join CJ as an affiliate? For that, you can click on Get Started. It will take you to this page. Once here, you can scroll down till the Publishers and Influencers section. Over here, you can click on Sign Up to initiate the registration process. Also, don't get confused with the terms publishers and advertisers. CJ calls affiliates as publishers and brands as advertiser. Let's assume you have clicked on the Sign Up button, which would have taken you to this page. Over here, you can enter all these details and click on the Submit to initiate the registration process. Now, I understand there are many nuances when creating an affiliate account with any affiliate marketing network out there, so don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create a new CJ affiliate account. You'll find the link in the video description. Simply click on the link, follow the instructions from there, and get yourself free CJ affiliate account. Once you have an account with them, you can come to their website once again. This time click on login, enter your credential, and then it will take you to something called affiliate dashboard, or rather the publisher dashboard. This is a place where you would be able to find the affiliate program of different brands and you would be able to interact with them, not just Michael's affiliate program, but we're going to keep the focus of the video on just Michael's affiliate program. To find the affiliate program, you can hover over partners, you can click on find advertisers, which will take you to the section. Over here, if you look at the left hand side within advertiser search, start typing Michaels and you will get these options, Michaels Stores and Michaels Canada. So go with Michaels Stores as well as Michaels Canada. So once you have selected it, simply click on search. It will load up their affiliate program tiles and you can click on the tile for better understanding like what their affiliate program provide and offer. So let's say you want to look at the Michael store, click on Michael store and over here you would be able to see more details. Using this affiliate program, you would be able to receive commission if you bring consumers to them from United States of America. And if you scroll down, you can see description about them. And to learn about the terms and commission rate, you can click on program terms, which will then take you to here. You can see commission 2%. So you start with 2%, and as you do better, you could also be invited into higher commission rate program. And then if you scroll down, you would be able to see more details like their policies. Ensure you read it and you must abide by it. And then whether they allow email marketing, they do allow software marketing allowed, sub affiliates being allowed, social media is also allowed. So read this for better understanding. It will give you an idea what is basically allowed and what is not. Like this, if you wanna look at the affiliate program details of Michael's Canada, because if your consumers are from Canada, then you might want to focus on this affiliate program. So you can click on the name, it will open up the details, and as you can see here, serviceable area as Canada. And if you scroll down again, you will see the description. To see the commission rate, you can click on program terms, and over here you can see 6% commission. So they're generous for the Canada program. They're providing 6% on the sale amount. And like how we looked for the policies of the US program, we can also see the policies for the Canada program and should you read it and abide by it. Now, let's say you have read it all and you want to apply to the affiliate program. Let's say you want to apply to both their affiliate program. You can click on apply to program and it will open up another window. Well, it will give you the confirmation application submitted for review. And that's it. So basically, your application has been sent to the affiliate program team of Michaels through CJ. They'll see whether you're a good fit for them or not. And based on that, they could give you the approval. It could take anywhere between a couple of days to a couple of weeks' time. So once you've applied for one program, and if you're interested, and assuming you have the consumers from another location as well, I mean between US and Canada, you want to apply to the affiliate program of other location as well. Likewise, I'm trying to do the same for both. So I applied for US and now I just click on apply to the program for Canada as well, and I got the confirmation. So similar to that, once you've applied, you will receive confirmation. Just click on the button and the new window will open with the confirmation message. So this is how you can apply to their affiliate program. Let's say you waited enough and you got the approval from them. How would you know that you have been approved? You'll be notified by an email. And once you've received the email, you can come to the affiliate dashboard once again of CJ, and this time hover over partners and click on my advertisers. It will take you to this page. Over here, you would be able to see all your approved brands, including Michael's. After getting the approval, now what? Now you can start promoting them. To promote them, you can't just take any link from the website because it won't work. You have to get or create your tracking link. So how do you get your tracking or rather the affiliate link? For that, you can hover over campaigns and click on links and products, which will take you to this page. Over here from the left hand side, you can search for the brand. So you can search for Michaels and ensure you select the Michaels that you have been approved from. But since you're still waiting for them to review and approve us, I'm just going to go with DHgate just for the demo purpose. So similar to that, assuming you've been approved by Michaels, you can search for the name and select them as an option. And thereafter, you can also select the link type to see what kind of link that you're interested to get. The banner links, content link, flash link, smart link, text link, evergreen link, and of course the advanced one. So like this, you can explore different filters as well. But let's say you're interested to see the tracking links or rather the affiliate links of Michaels. You select Michaels from here, my advertiser only, and choose, let's say, banner links. Once you've done it, click on search. Like this, you would be able to see the banner links of Michaels. Once you see the banner links listed here, any banner that you like, just click on that. And over here, you would be able to see more details. And to get the link code of the banner link, you can simply click on get code. It will open up this option. From here within website, you can click and you can choose your website that you want to create tracking link for. And then within the HTML section, you'll see this is the HTML link code, which you can take and append it from the backend of your website. If you just want a target URL, basically a click URL, you can click on click URL and this is the link you got. So like this, you can get the tracking link or HTML link code of any banner link or any other kind of link that you desire. Right, so this is how you can get your tracking link. The next question arises, where can you promote Michaels? There are many ways, but still I'm going to cover a few. One way is website. Doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, so long as you've been approved by Michaels, you can promote them anywhere on your website. Maybe homepage, maybe category page, maybe a section that you feel like is more suited for your audience. You can put their banners there as well. Second way is blog. Blog could be amazing here because you could write blog posts about different products available at Michaels and put your tracking link somewhere within your blog post. So this way, people would read, and if they love it, they'll click on it, they buy it, you get commission. Third way is social media. Social media could be great here as well because you could create content surrounding those products of Michael's. You could create videos, reels, stories, posts as well, and put your tracking link somewhere within the comment or the description of the video or any of those content. This could work in your favor too. Fourth way is home decor and interior design websites. As an affiliate, if you have such a website available, then this will be the best suited website for Michaels. Maybe you create a standalone section for products like Michaels offers. And when people would click on that specific section of your website, you might want to feature Michael's store over there along with the great products that Michael's offer. So this is how you can promote Michael's on your home decor interior design website in case if you have it. These are some of the ways you can promote Michael's. Let's say you started bringing sales to them. Where would you see your commission and of course your performance? For that, you can come to the CJ affiliate dashboard once again. Once here, you can click on reports and click on program overview. It will take you to this page. You can select your date range, update all the details, and then you will be able to see clicks, actions, conversion rate, commission on, and all the other details. You can also select your account from here and all the filters that you want to apply. And to see the performance, you can click on performance, and over here you would be able to see performance by hour, day, week, month accordingly. And as usual, you can apply filters from the top and of course from the right hand side. And to see the transaction level details, you can again hover over reports and click on transactions, which will take you to this page. You can apply all these filters, and over here, when you click on run report, you would be able to see your transaction level data. And to see the commission balance, you can hover over account, click on balance details, and over here, you would be able to see your commission related details. And of course, if you click on payment status, you will be able to see the status of the payments that are being issued to you or will be issued to you. And how would you receive commission from CJ? There are two payment methods that you could choose from. Either go with direct deposit or Pioneer. So whatever you want to go with, ensure you have updated in your CJ publisher account. And to update it, you look at the top right hand side, you click on this cogwheel, and from here click on payment. It will then allow you to select your tax related details and of course to submit either your banking details or Pioneer banking details. That's up to you which payment method you want to go with. All right, so this is how you find the affiliate program of Michaels. You apply to them, you get the approval, you start promoting them, and you start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of Michaels. And as an affiliate, if you want to learn more and if you want to get better in your affiliate marketing journey, there are some amazing resources that I have created for you. They are free as well as premium resources. You'll find them in the video description. Go with any resource that you prefer. Apart from it, if you have any other question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.